Good morning, everyone. I'm Kevin Brian Bautista.
I'm Jared M. Walogne.
And I'm Abeles now.
We're group number 4 and we are here to present 4-bit static shift register. Shift registers are often used in digital circuits in which it is formed by cascading of flip-flops which shares the same clock. The purpose and application of the circuit includes the following. Shift registers are often used in the conversion between serial and parallel interfaces. It can also be used as simple delay circuits. Shift registers can also act as pulse extender. And finally, shift registers are known to handle data processing.
Now we move on to the block diagram of the shift register. The shift register is composed of several stages: the data in, data out, clock, and the data. Stages in shift register are delay stages. An n number of stages means that the data input in the shift register is delayed by n clock pulses before it becomes data output. Data input is where we input data on the shift register. Its input can either be composed of ones or zeros, or a combination of both depending on the received input signal. Data input can either be in series or parallel depending on the orientation of the circuit used. In this case, a parallel input was used. Data out. It is where we can see the output data of the shift register. These data are shown with a delay depending on the number of stages used in the shift register. Nonetheless, the data shown are also dependent of the data input on the shift register. Like in data in, data output can either be in serial or parallel orientation, depending on the design of the circuit. In this case, a serial output was used. Clock is a signal which determines when the shifting of data will happen. Sometimes it is called a latch because you retain a data or shift in out of the register at the time you design it to. Data, a combination of ones and zeros. These are the data you want to be fed into the register.
For the operation of the block diagram, we have used a parallel input orientation. Data is loaded into all stages at once of the shift register. The data is then shifted out to the data out. It can take up a longer or shorter time depending on the design clock pulse. And since the shift register utilizes 4 stages, a total of 4 clock pulses are required to shift out all of the data. As shown in the block diagram above, the stage D data will be shown first after a clock pulse. Stage C data will be shown after 2 clock pulses. Stage B data will be shown after 3 clock pulses. And stage A data will be shifted out after 4 clock pulses. For the next data to be shifted out, it follows that they will be shown after a certain number of clock pulse delays. For the schematic diagram of the circuit and every SPICE conversion, it is shown in the next slides.
Thank you very much.